Hello everyone. In today's video, let's try to understand how to become Node.js developer step by step. So in this video, we are going to discuss about what is Node.js, what are the prerequisites required to learn Node.js, what topics we have to learn to become a Node.js developer, and how much time it will take to become a Node.js developer, and what are the job roles we can apply for. So let's get started. So what is Node.js? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. It is used to develop a backend application with JavaScript. You can develop all the backend services like your email services, your OTP services. For your e-commerce applications, you can develop services for filtering the products, for sorting the products, for tracking the orders, and doing the payment integration. And to learn this Node.js, you should know JavaScript. JavaScript is mandatory to learn Node.js. You should be aware of all the basics and advanced concepts of JavaScript. So once you know JavaScript, then you can start your journey with Node.js. Now, let's try to discuss what are the topics you have to learn in Node.js. In Node.js, you have to understand first what is Node.js architecture. Once you understand Node.js architecture, you have to focus on common JS module pattern. Using common JS module pattern, you will understand how you can access the code of one JavaScript file into another JavaScript file. So once you are done with common JS module pattern, you have to understand inbuilt modules. You have to understand about inbuilt modules of Node.js. Like we have FS module, we have HTTP module, we have OS module, we have event module. So once you learn about all these inbuilt modules, then you have to focus on NPM. Here NPM stands for Node Package Manager, which will help you to install, manage the third-party libraries. So once you are good with all these concepts of Node.js, then we have to understand the Express.js. Express.js will help us to understand how to implement routing, how we can integrate middlewares. So we have to integrate middlewares for implementing authentication authorization features, for handling errors, for implementing security. Once we have done with routing part, middlewares, then you have to focus on Mongoose. So Mongoose is a package which we are going to use with Express for connecting our backend application with the database, so that you can perform all the CRUD operations with your database. So once you have done with routing, middleware and Mongoose, you have to understand the project structure. In this project structure, we are going to learn how we can model our application in MVC pattern, so that it will be easy for us to develop the application, and in future, even if you want to scale your application, you won't face much issues, and it will be easy for debugging our application as well. So once you have done with all this, then you can focus on security part. So you can use a package called JSON Web Token, which we call in short as a JWT. Using this JSON Web Token package, you can implement authentication in your application. So once you have done with all this, then you will be a Node.js developer. So once you learn all these topics, you will be a Node.js developer. And to learn all this topic, you require nearly 30 to 35 days of time. So within 30 to 35 days of time, you will be able to learn all this. And once you learn all these concepts, you can apply for job roles like Node.js developer, or you can apply for a backend developer with JavaScript. So these are the different roles where you can apply. If you have any kind of doubts on this Node.js roadmap, then feel free to comment on the video. Thank you for watching the video.